I'm Jessica and I'm studying Electrical Installation Level 1. Today I am adding an extra light onto this, what I've previously done, wiring it all in and wiring it into the light switch and make it all work. The Phillips screwdriver, I will use the cutters over there, tape measure, level, and a pencil. My favourite part about the course is the wiring and just getting hands-on. Hopefully to get an apprenticeship and then go on and be an electrician.